Watch AI create a learning hub, participant and outcome dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. Starting with Bricks, we'll import our participant data file. The upload process is instant. Now, we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our Learning Hub data, identifying key relationships between participants, programs, and outcomes. It's automatically generating meaningful visualizations that reveal insights about certification status, grade distributions, enrollment patterns, and salary outcomes across different demographics and regions. The AI intelligently creates charts showing participant age versus annual salary, enrollment status by region, and performance metrics by Learning Hub. It's building comprehensive views of our educational data, including tables for top salaries by employer and certification summaries by hub location. Our Learning Hub participant and outcome dashboard is complete with 7 dynamic charts and 2 detailed tables. We can instantly change themes to match our brand. Now let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This clean interface removes editing tools, creating a professional view perfect for executive presentations. Charts remain fully interactive while maintaining that polished presentation aesthetic. We can navigate between visualizations seamlessly, making this ideal for live demos and board meetings. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through all our generated content and make adjustments as needed. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.